Today we're going to go over the GoblinBear. Right now I'm working on the structure and the massing used to build it from scratch. I'm showing you examples of some of the line work used, some of the contours in red. I'm lining up the different shapes, kind of showing you an overview. Started from a circle and a cube, and now I've lightened the opacity, and I'm using a pencil brush here, doing this on my iPad Pro. Now once I've built the shape with the contours and some of the line studies, I'm going and I'm adding in pencil detail, and this is what I would call my pencil stage. So I'm giving this to you a second time to show you the process from scratch. That wasn't done over pre-existing inking. They're all my original drawings, but it's really nice to see the structure. Now here what I'm doing is I'm giving you some volumetric studies over the feature to show you how the lines flow and how we use that volumetric understanding to help contour the shapes of where light and shadow will fall. So I've dropped the background darkness using a gray, and I'm redefining the areas. I'm using this penciling hatching technique that you see here to create shading, and the shading is where the light source is ultimately going to fall on. In this illustration, I wanted to keep half of his face in darkness, and I'm using a straight line pencil technique. Now I'm doubling it up, going even heavier to show the shadow that his face and his beard of the GoblinBear are off of his chest. Now I'm adding white highlights, showing you the volumetric study of where the light hits, some sample lines, things